if you should lift your home or if you should simply just stabilize your home in place during the repair process. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question we get asked a lot. It's if you should lift your home or if you should simply just stabilize your home in place during the repair process.
Yeah, so two different options, and the answer to it is that it's ultimately your decision as the homeowner. But there are circumstances we like to recommend. For instance, if you have recently remodeled your home and you've done extensive work to it, chances are if we were to attempt to lift a home, it has been settling for a good 40 years. When we attempt to lift, we're going to highlight all those signs and symptoms that were covered up during that reno. So in cases like that, it's important to stabilize. And then, if you guys are just purchasing a home or looking forward to remodel, an older home and renovate it, we recommend that you attempt to lift prior to any renovations. That way you guys only have to worry about doing it once.
Yeah, exactly what Alex said. Don't make this cost you more money than it already is going to for a foundation repair fix. If you do a lift, like Alex was saying, after you've done a remodel or if you've bought in a home that's been renovated, chances are you're going to have to redo some of it or realign some doors, maybe some flooring, different things like that. That could come back up and rear its ugly head. So in that situation, obviously, you'd probably just want to lock everything into place because everything's already been adjusted. But if you're on the front end of a remodel or getting ready to or thinking about doing a remodel to your home, then it may be best just to go ahead, get it lifted, get everything realigned. That way you don't have to pay for self-leveling, all this additional shims and things like that for leveling out cabinets and whatever else that you have going on. So thank you, Alex, and great answers. And thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.